Hi, we're here at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we are going to be looking at a 250-gallon grill. This grill does come with a pull-behind bumper, as well as your jack, coupler, and safety chains at the front. There is a 250-gallon 7-gauge steel chamber. This grill comes with one 35K single greaseable axle. This grill does have a smoker stack and a firewood storage basket. There is a 4-inch smoke outlet and 6-inch air intake. This grill does come with a 2-inch grease drain. Inside the grill we have 2 trays on both sides. There are gauges for your temperature. The top trays measure 22 by 22 and the bottom trays measure 22 by 30. The wood storage is 64 by 17.5 inches. The charcoal chamber is 70 inches long and 30 inches wide. The entire grill is coated in high heat enamel paint. Once again, this is a 250-gallon grill. If you are interested in this grill or any other grill we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.